Today, let's talk about the Rhino line again. So, this is another front thing. It has the same curve that all the fronts have, the Rhino diameter, but today I'm going to show you something different. I told you about how the cables can go inside the handlebar and go out just here. This in both sides, and how this gives a cleaner look to the handlebar. And that's what we can see here. Those cables are run inside from our factory to your house, and you already have everything placed as it should, so you only have to install in the handlebars. You'll see that the cables are pretty bendy, so it's easy to install. You won't have any problems like that. It also goes out exactly where it needs to. And like I said, it's a very clean look. Now let's talk about all the other details on this handlebar that only a Rhino bar has. This is a 2-inch diameter. It's much thicker than the average handlebar. Most of the handlebars that come original from factory are this thick. Let's look in comparison. It's so much difference. A 1-inch handlebar and a 2-inch handlebar, it's like it says, it's the double. It's incomparable. And this is just talking about the looks, what is already something. But we also have the measurements. In this handlebar, some measurements matter. Those would be the tip to tip, the pullback, and also the base of the handlebar. Each of those measures is thought out for your exact bike. This handlebar would fit a Fat Boy on 2017 up. It has the base needed for that, like you can see, and it also has all the cutouts needed for that as well. With this angle of pullback, a 6-inch pullback, you have a lot of comfort here when riding, and you also have a good hand positioning because of the tip to tip not being too wide or too narrow. Your hands will be in a good position. Aside from that, the handlebar will be ready to install, and you just have to put it in the bike. This is a polished stainless steel handlebar, so it's not your average chrome you see in the market. Although it's very shiny and looks like chrome, it's much more resilient, more resistant than chrome, and it will never rust or lose its shine like chrome would, because it's just a peel and you could peel it out. The polished stainless steel is not like that. Since it's polished with a lot of care and a lot of work, it will keep the shine for a long time. And if you need to reshine it, you could just use a cloth and some polishing and polish with your hands, and the handlebar will be like new. If you live in the beach, in an area that is very humid, this is the best choice for you. You don't want your handlebars to go rusty and you have to pass oil on it all the time. With this handlebar, this won't be a problem.